Hi everyone, my name's Adam Shoemaker. I could not be more delighted to be back here at V4U Day. We really care about the community and we really care about helping, doing any number of tasks, any number of jobs to help people. Whether it's upgrading toy libraries, helping people in aged care, talking about what they might do with gardens in the community. It's V for us, V for you, and it's V4U Day.
Victoria University staff and students helping us to plant some wildflowers for our native seed orchard. The volunteers are doing a really great job today, so we've got people planting, we've got people spreading mulch and some general cleaning up as well, and they're just doing such a great job and it's really helpful to us and our work out at the Grassland Reserve.
For Nexus, we're just sorting out through like plastic caps for recycling. So there's 3 groups in our project. One is going to like recycle the plastic caps from the trash bin, and then the other one's going to separate like the different type of plastic caps based on like their plastic composition. And then the last one is they're going to separate it by color.
It's not just V for us.
It's not just V for us,
It's V for you.